Hi guys, welcome to week one, and by now you should have completed the Y sheet. You should have downloaded a food log, and you should have also weighed and measured yourself and recorded that on your participant tracker sheet. Okay, now it's time to get going. So our topic for this week is protein. Proteins are the building blocks to the body, just like steel is to a car. So they're vitally important for a healthy body, but also for healthy and effective weight loss. When we talk about proteins, though, we need to make sure we're eating the right kinds of proteins. So we're looking at what we call quality lean protein, which is things like skinless chicken breast, tofu, fish, other kinds of seafood, eggs are a brilliant source of protein, and lots of our other vegetable type proteins, so the plant proteins, which are our beans and legumes and pulses and lentils. Now if we are going to focus on those plant ones as well, we need to make sure we are combining them too, and that throughout our week we're having a good combination of animal protein and also plant protein. One of the best ways as well is to, through the soybean. The other thing we need to make sure as well is that we are eating adequate amounts of protein. So that basically means that we should be consuming some kind of protein at every meal, even breakfast. And this is probably the area where most people leave out or forget as well. So it is vitally important that we do follow on that plan. What I'd like you to do, just as a guideline as well, for females, I'd like you to follow about using about 70 to 75 grams of protein a day, and also for guys about 90 to 100 grams of protein daily. Now on one of this week's downloads, there's two downloads this week, there's Protein 101 and the protein content. This will give you an idea then of how much protein you are consuming throughout the day. It's got some of the most sort of common food types on there that we'll eat. So again, just to recap, lean quality proteins, vitally important for healthy and effective weight loss. The more lean protein we have in our diet, the more muscle fibers we build when we combine that with exercise, and therefore then the more lean muscle we have in our body, the higher our metabolic rate, which is what we're after overall. So if anybody has any questions about any of this, please feel free to email me, and I'll be happy to answer your question. So let's get started, and well done for getting this far, and I'll see you at week 2.